In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PS4 controller to your iPhone. But before we get started, make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids. With that being said, let's begin. The very first step is to open settings on your iPhone. Go to Bluetooth and make sure the Bluetooth is turned on. Once it is turned on, take your PS4 controller. On your PS4 controller, there are two buttons. One is share and another one is the center PlayStation button. Press these two buttons simultaneously for a few seconds. Press the button simultaneously for a few seconds until you see the flashlight. Once you see the flashlight here, take your iPhone. In other devices, it says DualShock 4 wireless controller. Just tap on this and your PlayStation controller will be connected to your iPhone. So this is how you connect your PS4 controller to your iPhone. For more videos like this, subscribe to iOS Droids.